Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here to show you the items that I will have in this sale this Saturday, March 20th at 5 Eastern, 4 Central, 3 Mountain, 2 Pacific on Bima's Crafty Corners Flea Market Sale. First item up is I have some watercoloring cards. They are Paint and Create. And there's a total 5 in the package. There was 6. I used one. I'm letting them go. You get a pep thanks, 2 congratulations, and 2 happy birthday. And you can watercolor on these. They're very sturdy. Plus the envelopes. That will be in the sale. These are not in any particular order that you will see right now. They will be in order on the sale. But right now, I'm just pulling. Next thing up is I have a Live the Life You Love, Love the Life You Live, and it's like a weekly calendar. You have sticky notes over here, another sticky note, an envelope, Monday through Sunday, plus a note section. There's a few missing of this, but on that, didn't use the rest. You will see that. I'm going to say it. And the next thing up is we have some We Are Memory Keepers double-sided journaling cards. They are 4 by 6 inches, a total of 18 in each pack. I don't think I used any out of these. And this will be in the sale. Price to go. Remember, price to go. The next thing up is I'll show that when I find the next one. Is, of course, I have my backgrounds. I lowered the prices on these because I want them out. So I'm going to show them to you real quick. Get some ones I did out of some paper. They are double-sided as always on these. Got some glitter ones left. And I got a few packs of the ones like this. You will see them as well. I have 2 bundles of flowers that will be in the sale. And I want to show you them. Each pack is kind of different. That's one pack. Here's the other pack. Okay. I also have this Treasure the Memories. I bought this and I had good intentions with it, and I just never did it. So I'm letting it go. It's very neat. It's like a little photo book, but I could see somebody turning this into something else. Very sturdy. Then it's got these little journaling pages on the back and pockets. And then it ties. You will see that. And I have 2 sets of dies that will be on, this die makes flowers. This one makes like rosettes. Never used. Plus then I have these. These also make flowers. This is a complete set you will get for a price. It makes all these different flowers. Plus the paper. Put this here somewhere, guys. Oh, it's right here. Plus the paper. To make these. So that's in the sale. It just wasn't my thing. There's nothing wrong with any of these. Just that it wasn't for me. Okay. I have 2 Stampin' Up! Dies, Blooming with Kindness, and Teeny Tiny Wishes. And I also have Say It with Stamps. And you get all those sayings. And hang it up. Then I made some homemade cards, and there's 4 cards in each pack. I'm going to show you the images. So you get this image, and that one, and that one. And I meant to make sure that each side had a different image so I could show you. Oh, wait a minute, I do. Never mind. Oh, no, I do not. Thought so. So you get that one. They're colored, the color varies. You get the envelopes as well, and they all look like that inside. There's the other one. And then, of course, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, she's different. And then, like that. So that is one pack of cards. Okay. So we got love on that one. Her arm stretched out. I'm going to have to recheck it. No? Love. Arm stretched out. The bag. Okay. Okay. I got it now. I got it. There we go. Sweet. Hey, I'm doing this video, and you know I don't edit, but I'm going to learn how to. I want you to be able to see all the images when I show them and not have to take them out of the packs. There we go. So, you get one with a little bag, and it says, I'm a bad influence, but damn, I'm fun. Oh, of course, I put it in the envelope wrong. Go. And I think all the sayings are the same. Pretty sure. Okay, there we go. And then you got her with the bag. You may not have lost all your marbles, but there's definitely a hole in the bag. And then you got the one with the arm stretched out, and the one that says love. So that's that pack. And in this pack, okay, I did this. There are 5 cards in this one, so one will be a surprise. I'll show it right now. You get I'm a Rainbow in a Sprinkle World. She looks like that. And they may vary in backgrounds, but the images are the same. The coloring may be different a little bit, but that's it. A lot of my mixed media backgrounds on these cards. And that's that bunch. You get 5 in this pack, actually. Cute little sayings. And then in this pack, you get 5 cards also. For the same price, which will be told to you on Saturday. So we get a little birthday one. And I did put happy birthday. Hello there. Thanks. And then happy birthday too. And hello, my friend. That's that one. Those. And then are the cards I did. And also, I will have a clearance item, I'm calling this, cork. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. 12 corks in a bag. Also, I have images. I got some cute little bears. They're all different images of, this one's like bears or animals. Very cute. I'm not using them, so I'm letting them go. There's going to be 4 images in each one. That's the animals, and here's the teacups and birthday kind of theme. And there's 4 different images in each pack. They're not the same. None of the packs are the same. And then I have fairies. So, I'm just not using them. Started cleaning out the little cubbies here and there, and I'm not using it. Let it go. Also, I have this. It's a nice sturdy box, and when you open it, you have paper on one side and a matching pencil. It goes right up and down there. I also have Shabby Chic little cluster boxes and some vintage ones, and each one has a cluster kit inside of it. And those will be in a sale, same with the little shabby ones. I'll do a better review on that. I'll take them out of this plastic, but right now they're sitting in there for safekeeping. I also have a cutter like that. Oh, sorry, I'm reaching. A little cutter like this, and then a cutter that actually does that. And that is all for one price, which at the moment I don't know yet. I do know, but I can't tell you. I don't know what the list is. And got this cutter as well. And then I have this journal. Ties on the side. And this is a legit journal, guys. What I mean by legit journal is, as soon as I get into it, you get some pockets on the side. I decorated and I decorated the pages, but it's like this inside. It's all journal. And then another one. They are removable, so you can take this out and, write and then put it back in. And then in the back side, I just added some little sticky notes. If you want to go in and stick a note somewhere, I did a little shaker here. I did this space where you can maybe tuck some pictures. And then some more sticky notes and another pocket. And then I have a clip here for you as well. That is made with graphic 45 paper. And there's lace on the outside. I got this fringe going on. And then we're getting close to the bottom of my bucket here. I have my little vintage pockets I made where you get a tags and you can journal on each one. It's very cute. Everyone is a little different. You'll see more details on these during the sale. I'll pull the stuff out. A few of you see me make these that watch my channel, so you kind of know what that is. I have some Easter eggs. Easter's coming up. The 3 Easter bags. Don't need them. Letting them go. I have some vintage address cards that look like that. You can actually journal on the back of them. They look like that. I had a Julie nutting stamp. I had an extra one. That's in there as well. And let's see if that's it. Nope, that's not it. And last but least, I have tickets. They look like this. It says number, known style, size, price, and you get 10 in a pack. That's what that looks like. So I hope to see you on Saturday's sale on Bima's Crafty Corner at 5 Eastern, 4 Central, 3 Mountain, 2 Pacific. I hope to see you there. I hope this was good to review. If you have any questions about any of the items you've seen today, please let me know. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.